Hey everyone, today we are stepping into the captivating world of prompt engineering, and our focus is on mastering the essential mindset. Picture this: crafting the ideal prompt on your first try, saving both time and tokens. How do you unlock this level of prompt engineering wizardry? Let's unravel the steps to cultivate the perfect mindset for prompt excellence. Step number 1: Precision Crafting. Commence our journey, embrace the mindset of a precision craftsman. Picture yourself refining your skills in the art of Google searches. Cast your mind back to those days 5 years ago when your queries might have been a bit scattered and less targeted. Now, with a sharpened Google foo, you effortlessly hit the mark with precision and accuracy. It is the same intuition and finesse that we seek to apply to prompt engineering. Just as you have honed your ability to frame Google queries that yield the exact information you seek, the art of prompt engineering invites a similar approach. Consider yourself a linguistic craftsman, sculpting prompts with care and precision to elicit the desired responses from language models. The journey involves refining your instincts, understanding the nuances of how language models interpret prompts, and crafting queries that guide them toward accurate, contextually rich outputs. Recall the satisfaction of a well-crafted Google search that delivers spot-on results. Now envision experiencing a similar sense of accomplishment when your prompts effortlessly evoke the intended responses from a language model. It is about developing an intuition for prompt engineering, where your queries become an art form, seamlessly guiding the model to generate the outcomes you envision. Indeed, the analogy between prompting language models and designing effective Google searches is a profound insight. It's emphasized by Mihail Eric from the Infinite Machine Learning podcast. Much like there are better and worse ways to frame queries against Google's search engine to accomplish your task efficiently, the same principle holds true for prompt engineering in the realm of language models. This parallel serves as our guiding light throughout the course, shaping the way we approach and refine the art of prompt engineering. It invites us to adopt a strategic mindset, recognizing that the formulation of queries plays a crucial role in eliciting accurate and contextually relevant responses from language models. Just as you might carefully construct a Google search to yield precise and informative results, the skill of prompt engineering involves tailoring your queries to guide language models toward the desired outputs. It is about understanding the nuances of language, context, and the capabilities of the model you are interacting with. Step number 2: Efficiency over trial and error. Our overarching goal is to steer clear of the wasteful path of trial and error. Nobody desires to expend unnecessary tokens on a barrage of prompts, relying solely on luck for success. Instead, let's channel our efforts into refining our prompt crafting skills, aiming to hit the bullseye from the very beginning. The essence of this approach lies in strategic precision, rather than casting a wide net and hoping for favorable outcomes through trial and error. We strive for a more targeted and effective strategy in prompt engineering. By honing our skills, understanding the intricacies of language models, and adopting a thoughtful approach, we aim to craft prompts that resonate with the model's capabilities right from the start. Think of it as aiming for the bullseye in archery, a skillful and intentional shot that minimizes wasted effort and maximizes accuracy. Step number 3: Prompt engineering, the Google search of AI. Indeed, consider prompt engineering as the Google search of the AI realm. It shares the principles of efficiency, precision, and the pursuit of the desired outcome without unnecessary detours. Think of it as designing queries that adeptly solve the task at hand, skillfully navigating the mysterious algorithms humming under the surface. In the same way that you refine your Google searches to yield optimal results, prompt engineering involves crafting queries that guide language models with intention and finesse. It is about understanding the intricacies of the model's operation, tailoring your prompts to elicit the most accurate and contextually relevant responses. Just as a well-crafted Google search can save time and deliver precisely what you seek, mastering prompt engineering allows you to navigate the vast landscape of language models with efficiency and purpose. Step number 4: Navigating the landscape. Throughout this course, we will keep the analogy alive. Envision prompt engineering as navigating the vast landscape of Google searches. Much like honing your skills in the world of search engines, we are here to sharpen our abilities in the intricate realm of AI prompts. Just as you have developed a keen sense for constructing effective Google queries, we aim to cultivate a similar finesse in crafting prompts for language models. It is about understanding the nuances, optimizing for context, and strategically guiding the model to generate the desired responses. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master ChatGPT 4, a detailed step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.